Do number 21 and 11.6. Maybe you guys can tell me a tale about what ought to be done here.
You can.
Yeah, first things first, right? I want to get the V's kind of consolidated, right? So I've got V's on the inside of this log, and then we're subtracting some V's on the inside of that log. So what should I do? Okay, so I'll apply the subtraction log rule, right? And I'll get natural log of what? Oh, that's smart. We're not doing that yet. V squared minus 9 over V plus 3. And this is supposed to be natural log of 7. Okay, so then what might I do to both sides? Get rid of the logs? How do you get rid of the logs? Yeah, I want to apply the opposite of the logging function. So what's the opposite of the natural log function? E to the stuff. So I'm going to apply e to the stuff to both sides. That's going to pop those logs off of there. And I'm going to be left with V squared minus 9 over V plus 3 is 7. And now we're like, welcome to chapter something, 9. Yeah, so.
Yeah, so now would you be able to factor it and then get the 1z and then solve?
Yeah, and of course you could have done that back here.
Right.
In fact, that's kind of what Zach was suggesting.
Mm-hmm.
So, difference of squares, right? So the top there is V plus 3 times V minus 3. This is over V plus 3. And this is supposed to equal 7, right?
Right.
Okay, so there's a 1z that you guys are noticing.
Right.
The V plus 3s, those are a 1z. So I've got, what, V minus 3 is 7. What is a 1z? Then what?
Throw the 3 on the other side.
Okay, how?
Add up 3 both sides.
Add 3 to both sides, get V is 10. Then what? What do I have to check? Yeah, use a log rule, right? So, I want to know is, that's good, right? That's 100 minus 9 is definitely positive, right? And this guy is 13, which is definitely positive, right? So I'm okay on this. You guys see that? Cool. Circle. Done. Questions, things? Where are you stuck? Ah, okay. So then you got 2 answers, and one of them made sense, and the other one didn't. Yeah. And that's fine, actually. So you guys see that? If you had gotten to this stage here, and you didn't notice the difference of squares, what would you do if you didn't notice difference of squares, or if there wasn't difference of squares on the top? Yeah, you'd take this, multiply by V plus 3, both sides. So we get V squared minus 9 is 7V plus 21. And then we would kick everything to the other side. Why am I doing that? Yeah, I want to keep that V squared positive, and I'm preparing to, yeah, factor, complete the square, quadratic formula, whatever your favorite technique is. So I'm going to get V squared minus 7V minus 30. Okay. Then I'm looking to factor this. So this is equal to 0. And what? What am I looking for?
Multiply that with negative 30.
2 numbers that multiply to 30 and add to 7. So they're 3 and 10. And this is actually an easy one, right? I don't need to go full-blown AC on this, right? because this is going to factor into v minus 10 and v plus 3. You guys remember that? But remember, this technique only works when the A is 1, right? Otherwise, you have to do that full-blown AC factor by grouping thing. Takes a bit longer, but it's nice to have this technique in the back of your head. It's a little faster. All right, so this would give me V is 10 and V is -3. And if I try to plug -3 back in over here, I'll get 0 here. I'm not allowed to take log of 0, so that one's got to be an extraneous solution. So I still get V is 10. Cool?